A single cosmic collision has released enough energy to power human civilization for billions of years. This mind-boggling phenomenon has long fascinated astronomers and scientists alike. A cosmic collision in a distant galaxy has released an enormous amount of energy. Imagine the force of a billion nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. This explosion is believed to have occurred over 10 billion years ago. But that's not the strangest part of this cosmic event. The collision created a massive shockwave that has been traveling through space ever since. It's like a cosmic ripple effect, impacting distant galaxies and stars. This phenomenon occurs when two galaxies collide and merge into a single, larger galaxy. This process is known as galactic cannibalism. The resulting galaxy is a stunning sight to behold, with stars and gas swirling together in a cosmic dance. And then something unexpected happened, which has left scientists scratching their heads. The shockwave from the collision has been accelerating particles to nearly the speed of light. It's as if the collision has created a cosmic particle accelerator. This has allowed scientists to study the properties of these high-energy particles in unprecedented detail. Scientists have been able to analyze the composition and behavior of these particles. The data collected from these particles has provided valuable insights into the fundamental laws of physics. But what does this mean for us on Earth? This phenomenon has significant implications for our understanding of the universe and its evolution. It's a reminder of the awe-inspiring power and complexity of the cosmos. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of surprises and discoveries waiting to be made. As we continue to explore and study the universe, we are constantly reminded of its majesty. And that's why scientists are so fascinated by this cosmic collision. It's a unique opportunity to study the universe in a way that's never been possible before. The data collected from this event will help scientists to better understand the universe and its many mysteries. And who knows what other secrets the universe still holds. Perhaps the next great discovery is just around the corner, waiting to be made. The universe is full of surprises, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. As we continue to explore the universe, we'll undoubtedly uncover many more secrets and surprises. The universe is a vast and wondrous place, full of mysteries waiting to be solved. And that's why scientists are so passionate about their work. They're driven by a desire to understand the universe and its many secrets. It's a quest for knowledge that has captivated humans for centuries. And that's why we'll continue to explore the universe, no matter what challenges we face, because the rewards are too great to ignore. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our community of curious learners. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts and questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.